Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a seriously practical kitchen upgrade, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Dual Air Fryer, and what makes this one interesting is the dual basket configuration combined with digital controls. So let's go step by step through what you're actually getting and whether it's worth considering. First, let's talk about capacity and structure. This air fryer features two independent baskets allowing you to cook different foods simultaneously, which means your main dish and side dish can be prepared at the same time without flavor crossover, and depending on the variant you're looking at, you can get up to around 9 quarts of total cooking space, which is suitable for family-sized meal preparation or batch cooking sessions. Now, functionality is driven by intuitive one-touch digital controls where you can select presets, adjust temperature and time quickly, and the adjustable thermal range typically spans around 100 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving flexibility for crisp frying, baking or reheating, and the integrated shake reminder system alerts you midway through cooking, which helps redistribute food for more even browning and texture development rather than uneven surface crisping. From a performance standpoint, the convection mechanism circulates hot air around food surfaces, achieving browning with minimal oil usage, and that translates into lower fat preparation compared with deep frying. And there's also a sync finish capability, meaning both baskets complete cooking at the same time even if they require different settings, which is extremely useful for workflow efficiency in busy kitchens. Cleaning and maintenance remain straightforward thanks to non-stick dishwasher-safe baskets and removable trays, so post-meal cleanup doesn't become a burden, and the matte exterior plus compact footprint ensures the appliance fits standard countertop layouts while still delivering high wattage heating output for rapid cooking cycles. Pause for a moment. Think about your meal routine. If you frequently prepare multiple items simultaneously, this dual basket structure is where the real value appears. Otherwise, a single chamber unit might already meet your needs, so practicality depends on your usage pattern. Overall, this appliance focuses on versatility, time efficiency, and healthier oil-reduced cooking, making it a flexible option for people wanting digital convenience and batch capability. And that's the Chefman TurboFry Touch Dual Air Fryer. Thanks.